Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking out the biotech sector here, XBI, IBB, and LABU, LABD. So XBI, bearish reaction, bearish follow through from the 10-day moving average resistance. We did break to new lows, but we closed above 49.42, which was the low we hit May 6th. So that support is still intact. Bulls need to see a rally tomorrow, or we're going to be headed down to the next support of 47.88. On the weekly chart for XBI, I'm not really liking this weekly chart as much as I am IBB, because this 200-week moving average support, we've seen so much back and forth with it. We're currently losing it. But I want to be looking at the IBB chart because that has nice and clear 200-week support. We have bounced directly off of it with the lows, no back and forth choppy action, and we have a very clear channel developing here. The 200-week moving average support of 248.07 and the middle Bollinger Band resistance of 271.50. Each week this range is going to get tighter and tighter, and I would say within a month we will see a clear close above resistance and a move to the upside, or a clear close below the 200-week support and a clear bearish entry signal. So until that happens, I expect there to be a lot of choppy action in the biotech sector. Obviously, if the S&P 500 were to roll over and SPY were to head down to 204, we would see LABD perform, as the biotech sector would be hurt as well. But as of right now, LABD is in control. But looking at the daily chart, we've been rejected from the 100-day moving average resistance twice in the past 2 weeks. That level is 54.75, and we did see some nice increasing bullish volume, but it's going to take a big time volume spike to break out above the upper Bollinger Band and the 100-day moving average resistance. But if the bulls are able to do that for LABD, we'll be looking at the next resistance of 67.17. So there's big time gains to be had if this resistance is broken. But if we see some bouncing around in this channel, we've got the 200-day support of 46.77, and we can see that's where we've been bouncing around for the past 2 weeks. So we could see that play out again if we see a pullback tomorrow and some upside in LABU, but the levels on LABU not really as clear as they are on LABD, as we're looking the same as XBI. So IBB on the weekly time frame is the key level to watch for the biotech sector, and LABD on the verge of a potential breakout, but it's going to need to see high volume for that to happen. So that's what we're looking at for the biotech sector. At times when these setups aren't so clear, I just move on and play something else that is more clear. So there have been setups in the past couple of months while we've been covering these biotech sectors where it's a lot more obvious or a lot more clear the likelihood of something occurring. Where we currently stand, it is not. So that is why I might back off and wait till we have a more clear direction. So thanks for tuning in. We'll check back in as always. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.